Chocolate helps me work and play. I eat a little every day. Milk or dark, I just don't mind. I'll eat whatever I can find. Chocolate is the food of kings. There are so many chocolate things. Chocolate ice cream, chocolate pie, chocolate treats for you to try. Chocolate, chocolate tastes so sweet, so good to drink, so good to eat. With lots of milk and cocoa too. I'm sure it's very good for you. One day when I'm rich enough, I'll make a lot of chocolate stuff. Chocolate trees, a chocolate lake, a big house made of chocolate cake. Chocolate, chocolate, chocolate tastes so sweet, so good to drink, so good to eat. With lots of milk and cocoa too. I'm sure it's very good for you. Chocolate, chocolate. Chocolate, chocolate. Chocolate, chocolate tastes so sweet.